channel. I hope you all are safe and doing well. So in today's video I'm gonna do a Zivame post wash haul. क्योंकि मैं हमेशा हॉल्स वगैरह करती रहती हूँ बट मैंने कभी ऐसे पोस्ट वॉश हॉल नहीं किया आपको ये दिखाने के लिए कि आफ्टर सर्वरल यूजेस एंड वॉशेस प्रोडक्ट्स की क्वालिटी कैसी हो जाती है. सो बेसिकली आई एम गोना रिव्यू माय Zivame lingerie and rest of the other things that I've been wearing for a while now, and we'll do a quick quality check to see if it's actually worth in investing Zivame products or not. Also, Zivame being India's first and #1 online intimate wear brand is coming up with their Go Local sale today, that is 8th July at 8 PM sharp. So the whole idea behind this Go Local sale is to actually encourage Indian women to prefer our very own Indian brand when it comes to intimate wear shopping. Zivame has a vast variety of products and they design their products according to the needs of Indian women specifically. So you can choose from a lot of different styles, sizes, colors. I feel you should definitely check out their website because it's like a tribute to our India and Indianness. So yeah, आपको इस Go Local sale में up to 50% off मिलेगा. You would get cash on delivery option, free shipping and very easy and hassle-free 15 days exchange and return policies. And I also have a code for you guys which is Shivani Zivame to get an additional 10% off on existing offers. But this code is applicable only to new users. And yes, with that being said, let's just get started with today's video. Alright, so I'm gonna start off with the products I wear the most, which is bras, obviously. So first of all my bras are non-wired, and सबसे पहले I would like to show you these two bras which I wear a lot, like on a regular basis. So these are very basic everyday wear bra which I like to wear under my tops, t-shirts, kurtis. It still looks pretty much fine as you guys can see, and I'm gonna show you the black one as well. Like दोनों की pads की quality is still the same. अंदर से भी as you guys can see it still looks new and feels new even after several washes. So both of them are non-wired bras and the quality is still top notch. I mean, it feels really comfortable onto your body, especially in this season when it's so humid and hot and you feel suffocated in your bra. But this does not happen with these bras. Also इसके जो ये glitter straps हैं ये भी एकदम ऐसे intact हैं, ऐसा मुझे कुछ छुपता नहीं है, बिल्कुल भी कुछ ऐसा feel नहीं होता. It's very comfortable. I am in love with these two bras specifically for everyday use. And then I have this very basic nude strapless bra that I like to wear under my off-shoulder tops and dresses. It does not slip off, okay? Even after washing it many times, the rubber lining is intact and still holds the bra onto your body. Now this one is underwired because when it comes to strapless bras, you should get some sort of support, and I'm really glad that the wire does not poke me at all. Also I forgot to tell you कि ये detachable straps के साथ आई थी bra, but I like to wear it as an off-shoulder bra, so I've just removed the straps. And then I have two more t-shirt bras, but as you guys can see, थोड़ी सी fancy हैं because of the lace work. I love the pink and peach colors. They are so beautiful. Also I like to wear these bras under any garment which is not see-through at all. I really like this. Also इन दोनों के pads की quality भी is still top notch. अंदर से भी आप देख लो, it is still pretty much fine. Also guys, लेस भी बिल्कुल ऐसे torn या spoil नहीं हुई है. Like I'm gonna show you one quick tip to maintain your lingerie and जिससे आपकी bras ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा time तक चले is to always wash them in this sort of a lingerie washing bag instead of putting them directly into the washing machine. ये वाला मैंने Zivame से ही लिया था and it's still in a pretty good condition as you guys can see. इसकी zip बिल्कुल भी flimsy नहीं है unlike other lingerie washing bags. So I would highly recommend you guys to invest in a good quality lingerie washing bag. उससे आपके ब्रा के पैड्स भी बिल्कुल खराब नहीं होंगे. अगर आप उनको डायरेक्टली वॉशिंग मशीन में धोगे तो वो खराब हो जाएंगे. Also one quick tip to store your bras is to never fold them like this. Like never keep your bras like this, क्योंकि जो ये वाला पैड है वो फिर बहुत जल्दी खराब होने के चांसेस हैं. So always store your bras like this if you store them in a drawer or in a lingerie storage bag, whatever you prefer. So always store your bras like this. एक के ऊपर एक करके you should store your bras. That's how I like to store them. And as you guys can see कि मेरे bra के pads की quality अभी भी वैसी की वैसी है. Zivame has done their fittings with 10,000s of Indian women to have a deep understanding of various breast profiles of Indian women, and they have a wide size variety starting from 32A to 44F. और उनकी ऐप पे एक फिट कोड फीचर भी है जहाँ पे आप अपने राइट ब्रा साइज का पता लगा सकते हो. सो यू जस्ट हैव टू आंसर सम वेरी इजी क्वेश्चंस टू नो योर ब्रा साइज. नेक्स्ट अप आई एम गोना शो यू गाइज अ कैमिसोल जिसको मैंने बहुत बार पहन लिया है एंड इसकी क्वालिटी बहुत अच्छी है. लाइक यूजुअली मेरी कैमिसोल्स पे लाइक अगर मैं ऐसे कहीं से भी ले लेती थी तो उस पर लिंट आ जाती थी, बट इट डिड नॉट हैपन विद दिस वन. इट इज स्टिल लाइक इट स्टिल लुक्स सो न्यू एंड इट्स वेरी वेरी कंफर्टेबल. सच ए नाइस लाइट वेट मटीरियल, लाइक फील्स वेरी कंफर्टेबल ऑन योर स्किन. इसको मैंने इतनी बार वॉश कर लिया बट आई एम सो हैप्पी कि ये बिल्कुल भी श्रिंक वगैरह नहीं हुई है. एंड दिस इज अ वेरी बेसिक वी नेक कैमिसोल जिसको आप एज इट इज भी पहन सकते हो और यू कैन वेयर इट अंडर योर क्लोथ्स एज वेल. टोटली योर चॉइस. एंड या इसको मैंने आई थिंक 200-250 रुपीज का लिया था एंड इतने प्राइस रेंज में यू गेटिंग सच अ गुड क्वालिटी. I am so impressed. Next up, I'm going to show you another thing which I wear the most, which is a cotton night suit. So मैंने ये I think 6 months पहले Zivame से मंगवाया था एंड आप इसको देख के कह सकते हो कि मैंने इसको 1000 times पहन लिया होगा अभी तक. This is actually a capri set and this is the capri we have and then this one is the top. Zivame के जो night suits हैं वो भी Indian modesty को ध्यान में रख के डिजाइन किए गए हैं because as you guys can see के काफी अच्छी high neckline coverage है. आर्म होल्स भी इतने डीप नहीं है. So maybe if you live in a joint family and you can't wear that sexy short night wears, you can definitely check out Zivame की sleepwear collection. Like you guys can see, like इतनी अच्छी quality है अभी तक. And I'm pretty sure you're gonna fall in love with the collection because they have such cute prints. I do have one more night suit by Zivame, but वो अभी laundry में है, so I can't really show you guys. Moving on, I have this boy short shaper panty in a nude color and it is so comfortable, so stretchable. Like I have worn this 3 to 4 times and इसकी elasticity अभी तक वैसी की वैसी है. ये मुझे बिल्कुल भी टाइट नहीं लगती है but it kind of hugs my belly area in the correct way and I don't feel suffocated at all. So whenever I wear any dress, it actually makes my silhouette look much more flattering. Now guys, Zivame के body shapers भी thousands of Indian women के body shapes and sizes को analyze करके ही डिजाइन किए गए हैं. Now the last two things that I would like to show you guys are these two gym leggings which I bought for my mom last time from Zivame's sale and उनको इसकी quality बहुत अच्छी लगी. Like when I asked her for a review, all she said was कि most of the gym leggings में उन्होंने lint की problem experience की है, especially in the crotch area, but it did not happen with this one. Like you guys can see, even after wearing it so many times, it looks the same. Very very comfortable she feels in this and it's very stretchable as well. And ये जो blue वाली legging है इस पे यहाँ पे ऐसे detailing दी हुई है, whereas जो brown वाली legging है इस पे यहाँ पे ऐसे criss cross detailing दी हुई है. I hope you guys can see. So the conclusion is कि मेरी mom Zivame leggings की बहुत तगड़ी fan हो गई है and yeah, she is very much impressed with the quality. So that was my Zivame post wash haul or review, whatever you wanna call. Don't forget that the Go Local sale is starting today, that is 8th July at 8 PM. You may also use my code Shivani Zivame to get an additional 10% off on existing offers. You would also get free shipping, cash on delivery options and very easy 15 days exchange and return policy. So please go ahead and buy something for yourself because it's time to become Atmanirbhar and yeah, please start supporting our Indian brands and made in India products in general. And I'm so proud to say that Zivame is our very own Indian brand and it's doing so well. So Zivame के सारे ही products हम Indian women के अकॉर्डिंग ही डिजाइन किए गए हैं. सो अगर एक इंडियन ब्रांड इतने एफर्ट्स करके हमको अफोर्डेबल प्राइसेस में इतनी अच्छी क्वालिटी ऑफर कर रही है, सो द लीस्ट वी कैन डू इज टू एक्चुअली ट्राई देयर प्रोडक्ट्स and I'm pretty sure you're gonna fall in love with Zivame products. Lastly, you can also download Zivame's app for an easier shopping experience. I would mention the link in the description box below. And yes, that's all for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, then please make sure that you give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Let me know in the comments down below that what are you gonna buy from Zivame's Go Local sale. And yes, I'm gonna see you next time. Till then, you all please stay safe, stay positive, and be kind to yourself and others. Bye bye.